So, student, today's topic of discussion is Fleming's right hand rule. So, what is this rule and what is the importance of this rule? क्या है ये तो अभी बताता हूँ. Importance. Basically, in previous lecture, in previous video, we have discussed about electromagnetic induction. That's mean when a conductor is moving in a magnetic field, it cuts the magnetic field lines, or you can say the magnetic flux linked to that conductor changes with time. So as the magnetic flux change, an EMF is induced in that conductor according to Faraday's law. The formula is E equal to minus d phi over dt. So this is Faraday's law. आफ्टर फैराडे लॉ लेंज ने इस माइनस साइन को डिफाइन किया, मीन्स उसको की डायरेक्शन को डिफाइन किया. फ्लेमिंग ने इसी फॉर्मूले को, इसी डायरेक्शन को विद द हेल्प ऑफ राइट हैंड इसको एक्सप्लेन किया. मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू विद द यूज ऑफ फ्लेमिंग राइट हैंड रूल वी कैन सिंपली अंडरस्टैंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ induced current produced in that conductor. For example, we have a magnetic field. This is what? This is uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. And in this uniform magnetic field, a conductor is placed. A conductor is there, and that conductor is moving in this direction, means in upward direction. Means when it moves in this direction, it will cut the magnetic field lines. So the flux linked with this conductor will also be changed. तो जैसे जैसे ये चेंज हो रहा है, ये मूव कर रहा है, इट द फ्लक्स लिंक्ड विद दिस कंडक्टर विल आल्सो बी चेंज. सो एन EMF, or you can say current, is induced in that conductor and direction of this current will be this. Fleming explained this thing with the use of right hand. This is our right hand, like this. You. And if our forefinger, this forefinger represent magnetic field, direction of magnetic field. This is thumb, and thumb represent direction of velocity. Then our middle finger. This middle finger represents the direction of induced current. Again, I am repeating all these things. If we keep our right hand in such a way that forefinger, middle finger and thumb are perpendicular to each other, means these three fingers represent the three directions like this. Then forefinger represent magnetic field, thumb represent motion of conductor, then the middle finger will represent the induced current, direction of induced current. So here we apply here. This is our what? This is magnetic field, direction of magnetic field, which is inward direction of magnetic field. And this is what? This is motion. So motion is upward direction. So this middle finger, direction of middle finger will represent direction of induced current. So with the help of this Fleming right hand rule, we can easily find out the direction of induced current in that conductor. So this is what, this is basically Fleming's right hand rule. क्या है आपको समझ में आएगा कि अगर मिड फोर फिंगर से हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, थंब से हम वेलोसिटी, देन मिडिल फिंगर से हम क्या मेजर कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. क्या यूज है फिलेमिंग्स राइट हैंड, हम इसकी हेल्प से हम इसकी डायरेक्शन को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं.